to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view responses on a Google form. So click on a Google form and make sure you've already sort of shared the forms to people. Click on responses and here's where you can see their responses. As you can see, there's like a summary of it, for instance, like how many percent said this and that. You can also go to question to see like the individual questions. For instance, I asked like how old are you, and there's 7 responses that are 18 to 23, one response that's 13 to 17, and also one response 24 to 30 years old. And you can also view them one by one, like individually. So for instance, you want to see like what one person has said about them. So like, how old are you? 18 to 23, you're a job student, do you like to read books? When you read it, leisure time, and do you think pictures and books make it more interesting? And they said yes. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!